10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come on, brothers.
Lily was a lonely girl, living all alone in a lonely world. She wanted something, nothing more, just a place she could call home. She hopped a flight to Miami Beach, Tucson, Arizona, and Jamaica, Queens. But there was something missing there, so she turned and said to me, take me home by the ferry dock underneath the stars. Back where I belong. Now Billy was a rocket man, floating down the coast to the promised land. He loved the sun, but he missed his heart as an apple caught his eye. Tommy said, we miss you, man. Take that rocket back to Port Jefferson. He was feeling down, so he took a drag as the moon blinded the sky. And so he left it all behind. Take me home by the ferry dock underneath the stars. Back where I belong, where we used to walk by the 803 down the west side of Main Street. Now we barely talk, so I wait and see if everything is there where